Okay, so in a couple days, I'm going to be releasing 3 videos in one day. I know it's a lot, but it has to do with this special dinner that I'm making for Mr. Straw, and you'll see it. So be ready for it. It's coming. Few days. Hey, this is Straw Sherrod. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Man, look at this. Yeah, hopefully Mrs. Straw likes this. And I spent all day, all afternoon cooking. And I hope you enjoy it too. Okay, stay tuned. Waiting in the kitchen all afternoon. Let's see if Miss Straw approves. Okay, you can open your eyes and see what you got. Can you handle that? You got a seafood paella in the middle. You got Parmesan encrusted garlic bread. And then you have the mozzarella potatoes au gratin. So I know you like mozzarella, so that's the idea there. So knock yourself out. Glad you like it.